What's happening, people? I'm here at my work, playing around with some fun toys that I'm gonna give you just a little rundown on how to use. So, yeah, one sec. So this is a plasma cutter. You can see Cut Master. It's an old school fella that my boss owns. I'm just playing around with it because I gotta cut this bad boy up. So I'm getting the hang of this. Hold on, let me focus that. I'm getting the hang of this machine because I've never used it before. But yeah, we gotta cut a good 1/2 inch, 5/8 off of this nice, beautiful shelving unit that we're going to put into my boss's house. And I'll just give you a quick rundown of how one of these works. Well, how you use one of these. So, first of all, what you want to make sure is that you got air connected and you're grounded, or else it won't work. And then you want to make sure over there that you got a strong enough breaker and enough power to handle the machine that you're running, which I'm actually having some issues with. We don't have a good enough breaker to run this machine on, so I'm having to run back and forth. Hold on, let me get this focused. Don't have enough power to get this guy running properly, but I mean it'll work. And then you gotta make sure the current is set. God damn, this autofocus sucks. Gotta make sure your current is set good enough. I can't really tell you what this is at because, yeah, knob is broken. Old machine, working in the field. It happens. But anyway, yeah, that's the basics that you want to make sure are set when you are starting the cut. And that's about it for now. And I'll just I'll go ahead and show you some stuff. Like I said, I was getting used to this machine, so this is what you don't want. Something like that. Ow, it's really hot still. That is too low of power. It's not getting all the way through. There's still a bunch of slag on there. This is what you want. You want the piece of metal to be missing. That should be missing, but it didn't get cut all the way through because yeah, it didn't have enough power running on it. But anyway, I'll go ahead and do a little demo of how it'll look if you're cutting properly, and if everything is good. I'll be back in a second. almost got all the way through it. We're having some issues though. I don't think I have enough power to cut through this. Anyway, yep, that's just a quick run through of how plasma cutters are used and work and whatnot. That's what the cut ended up like. And that's the cut on the bottom, all cleaned up and slagless. So that's what a clean cut on a plasma torch looks like. Thanks for watching, guys.